Hello everyone, today we are going to solve the question from NCERT exercise questions, question number 4 from the chapter Partnership Fundamentals. In question, two partners Akriti and Bindu, they entered into partnership firm on 1st April 2016 and there is no partnership agreement between them. They introduced capital of rupees 5 lakh and 3 lakh on 1st October 2016. Akriti advanced 20,000 by way of loan to the firm without any agreement as to interest. Profit during the year given rupees 43,000 and partners could not agree upon the question of interest and the basis of division of profit. So we need to settle down the differences here. In the question, it is given that Akriti lended a loan to the firm, so Akriti is to be paid interest at the rate of 6% per annum for 6 months. So we prepare P&L appropriation account first. In our P&L appropriation account, we first bring down the profit during the year given rupees 43,000 as by P&L account rupees 43,000 to the credit side. Then we give interest on loan to Akriti at the rate of 6% per annum for 6 months from 1st October to 31st March. So we calculate 20,000 into 6 by 100 into 6 by 12. It will be rupees 600. Now the question arises of division of profit. Since there is no partnership agreement between the partners, so profit is to be divided equally. So first we do the total of credit side 43,000 and then we subtract the interest on loan out of it and find out the balance. That profit is to be divided between Akriti and Bindu in an equal ratio. So the total is 43,000 minus 600, it will be 42,400. And if we divide this 42,400 between Akriti and Bindu, we will be getting 21,200 each. So this is P&L appropriation account. Now we will solve the next question. Rakhi and Shikha, two partners in a firm with capital of rupees 2 lakh and 3 lakh respectively. Profit during the year is 23,200 after allowing a salary of rupees 5,000 per month to Shikha and interest on partners' capital at the rate of 10% per annum. During the year, Rakhi withdrew rupees 7,000 and Shikha rupees 10,000 for their personal use. In this question, it is also given that they are sharing profit in the capital ratio. Their capital is rupees 2 lakh and 3 lakh, so the capital ratio is 2:3. You are required to prepare profit and loss appropriation account and partners capital account. So first we prepare profit and loss appropriation account. In profit and loss appropriation account, first we transfer the profit given during the year is rupees 23,200 to the credit side. So we write by P&L account 23,200. Out of that profit, we give salary to Shikha 5,000 per month. So it will be 5,000 into 12 because we are preparing P&L appropriation account on an yearly basis. So we write salary to Shikha's salary 5,000 into 12, 60,000, 60,000. Then interest on capital also we need to allow at the rate of 10% per annum. So calculate for Rakhi's capital interest is 2 lakh into 10% and for Shikha's capital interest is 3 lakh into 10%. So you have to write on the debit side two interest on capital, Rakhi and Shikha 20,000 and 30,000, total you do it 50,000. Clearly we see the total of debit side is more than the total of credit side. So there is a loss which is to be transferred to partners capital account, that is Rakhi and Richa. So you have to write on the credit side by loss transferred to Rakhi's capital account, Shikha's capital account, and the loss is 1,10,000 minus 23,200 equals to 86,800. Then divide this loss between Rakhi and Shikha in their capital ratio, that is 2:3. So we will be getting here 34,720 and 52,080. Next we prepare partners capital account. In partners capital account, first we bring down the balance of capital to the credit side by balance brought down 2 lakh and 3 lakh. Then we write partner's salary. Here we have Shikha's salary, so write in the column of Shikha 60,000. Then interest on capital also write to the credit side by interest on capital 20,000 in Rakhi's column and 30,000 in Shikha's column. There you have to write drawings to the debit side. 2 drawings, Rakhi's drawing given 7,000 and Shikha's drawing given 10,000. Loss which we got in P&L appropriation account, we need to transfer to the debit side of partners capital account. So you have to write debit side to profit and loss appropriation account 34,720 and 52,080. Then we do the total of credit side and debit side. After adding the Rakhi's column, we are getting 2,20,000 and Shikha's column, we are getting 3,90,000, and subtract with the total of Rakhi and Shikha, then you will get the balance carried down. So you have to write 2 balance carried down. For Rakhi you are getting 1,78,280 and for Shikha you are getting 3,27,920. So this is the question. Link is given in the description box for question number 1 to 3. Please check out. And children, if you have not subscribed, subscribe the channel and like the videos and do watch for more videos. Thank you everyone.